Hello everyone! Today I'm excited to share with you a Unity project of the classic game Tetris. Yes, it's the Tetris we all know and love. This is a complete Unity project, where all the blocks are built from 3D cubes. It's really fun to play, and I hope you'll enjoy it. Here are the main features included. 1. Complete game template. 2. Very easy to customize and modify. 3. The package contains everything: scripts, UI, sound effects, and visual effects. 4. Well-commented code for easy understanding. 5. Reliable after-sales support. 6. URP support only. You can find the purchase link for this project in the video description and pinned comment. I hope this resource will be helpful for you. If you'd like to see more Unity-related videos, feel free to leave a comment and let me know. I'll be happy to make one especially for you. Finally, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.